can't wait for this.
I'm so glad you invited your girlfriend.
Well, hey, I mean, oh, Jesus, what?
What's wrong with you? What's
That-
wrong with you,
That's not
Doug?
funny. That's not funny.
Doug,
I have feelings.
Doug, think with your brain.
Not your mouth.
Oh
Right.
God, you guys are...
Golly!
God, man.
Here, pack this.
Yeah, oh, we don't pack
No,
Oh, man.
put that up.
Give me the mask.
Oh, here she comes.
Shut up, man. Leave her alone. You invite my girlfriend.
Because you great. Why would you invite her?
That's none of your business.
All right, she coming.
Here she comes.
Leave her alone.
I don't care.
You should have invited her.
Quiet. No, but she saw your face.
Hey, Marshall.
Hey.
How's it going?
Good.
Oh, I thought
It's
that
like-
was Shelly. She's my friend from school.
Yeah. Hi, you guys.
Hey.
Hey.
But what school?
Oh, man.
Hey, you. No, don't look back. I'm talking to you. Hey, come here. I got to talk to you a little bit. Hey, watch this. All right, yeah. You come on, a little quicker. I don't got all day.
Oh, that's a good idea.
It looks cool. It's really shaky.
I'm also shaky on this one.
It's the wind.
I did.
No, you didn't.
Okay.
Man, I hope they come back, man.
It's taking a long time.
Right.
Yeah.
They taking too long.
A really long time.
So, Sean,
Yeah, what's up?
what's your favorite color?
I like red.
You like red?
Red's my favorite
I don't think.
Red's a good color.
Yeah, I
Nice
like-
romantic color.
What are
Red
you,
roses.
what are you doing?
I'm not doing nothing. I'm just having a conversation. No, don't be tripping.
I'm telling.
Tell him what?
I'm telling Jess.
Tell Jess. Jess gonna say the same thing. I'm just having a natural conversation. Ain't nothing going on with me and Margaret.
Sean crazy. Sean crazy. You crazy, Sean. You
You need to be quiet,
you
Steve.
here,
Yeah,
bro.
I don't know what you guys are talking about.
Okay, I'm about to go look for Doug and Jess.
You leaving too?
I'm going to look for
Hey,
them.
find my girl. Tell her to get back to his car.
You coming too?
Oh, okay.
You too.
Who you yelling?
What about me?
You can wait and watch the
We'll
car.
be right back.
We'll be back. We're gonna come right back. We're gonna come on,
Don't worry
guys.
about it. We'll be right back.
Come on.
I'll be back. Well, we'll be back. I don't know. Sean!
Doug, Jess!
Doug!
Jess!
Yes!
Oh my God,
Doug!
Doug!
Oh, Doug! Oh, Jess! Wait, Doug, come here. Doug! No!
What is taking them so long? Ah! Oh, Doug! You scared me. Oh my goodness. Wait, hold on. I got a message. You're not Doug?
Okay.
I was.
Hey, you got me.
Corey, come here!
Everybody!
What is going on?
I don't know!
Hey! Everybody's
dead!
Everybody dropping like flies! I don't know!
Oh, Jesus! Frankenstein!
Right! What is happening?
Look at
What
Doug!
is happening?
Wait, oh, you gotta go.
Who's Doug?
What you mean, who does?
I don't know who Doug is.
Doug
Doug is
died!
dead!
I'm just a random person in the street.
What? Doug is dead! Doug is dead!
Jesus!
Like murdered?
Ah!
Corey, what the?
Wait.
What the? Just stop moving. Why? Tell me you killed Doug and everybody.
Why don't you ever want to hang out with me? Why are you always with your friends, huh? Well, now you don't have any.